In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer Solana from Phantom Wallet to Binance. It's going to be a full guide video. Now, if you want to transfer Solana from your Phantom Wallet to your Binance, you need to have some Sol right here in your Phantom Wallet, right? So what you need to do now is open your Binance, right? Open your Binance, click on this deposit. Come on this currency, type in Sol, right? I'm going to type in Sol. I'm going to select Sol, right? I'm going to click on this Solana, right? So if you click on it, your address is going to come out, right? So I don't want to click on it, right? Because of my address is going to show. So once you have done that, copy your address, right? Head over to your Phantom Wallet, open your Phantom Wallet, click on send, right? Select Solana, paste your Binance wallet address here, right? Paste your Binance Sol wallet address here. Once you have gone through, you need to have some Sol in your wallet, right? Once you have pasted it, you're going to click on the next, you're going to click on the send, right? It's going to go through. This is how you can transfer Solana from Phantom Wallet to Binance. If you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching through. I'll see you on the very next